If buying or selling in 2026 has even crossed your mind, this is for you. Depending on who you listen to, you'll hear completely different stories about the housing market. So, let's simplify what the data is showing and what it means for real people making real decisions.
So let's start with the short version. The housing market isn't crashing, and it isn't going back into that frenzy either. It's simply resetting. Economists are predicting a slow and steady comeback. Not dramatic, but healthier than what we've experienced recently. That means more movement, more options, and fewer pressure-packed decisions.
Interest rates. Interest rates. Most forecasters are expecting mortgage interest rates to stay in the high 5 and low 6% range. No, we're not going back to 3% rates, but even small drops from that 7% range can make a real difference in your buying power and your confidence.
And then there's inventory. After several slow years, more homes are expected to come into the market. Nationally, inventory is beginning to normalize, though how that shows up can look very different depending on your location and price range. Some markets will feel more balanced. Others will still feel somewhat competitive.
So that's where the shift comes in. Buyers in many markets are starting to feel more breathing room, more options, and less urgency. Sellers can still succeed, but the market is rewarding strategy over optimism. Homes that are priced correctly and presented well are moving. Homes that miss that mark tend to take longer.
And most national forecasts call for moderate price growth, generally in a 1 to 4% range. The gap between what people earn and what homes cost is slowly narrowing, which helps affordability move in the right direction.
One more important thing to understand. This continues to be a split market. Equity-rich owners and cash buyers tend to have more flexibility. First-time buyers and renters often need smarter planning to compete. As always, these are the national trends, and real estate is very, very local. So conditions can shift based on inventory, rates, and job growth. If you want to understand how this applies to your specific area and your price range, you need to send us a message and we'll talk it through. We would love to be a resource as you plan what's next.
This is Barbara and Dana Worth with the Worth Realty Team. We look forward to serving you, your family, and your friends with all your real estate needs.
Thanks, and bye for now.